Welcome to a session on programming with Python and Jupyter Notebooks for data mining. Here's what we'll be covering today. We'll start with Python's role in data science, discussing both its advantages and limitations. Then, we'll dive into core Python concepts like programs, variables, and expressions. We'll look at how functions are used in data science. Finally, we'll introduce you to Jupyter Notebooks, a key tool for interactive data science work. Python is a go-to language for data science because it's open source, free, and was developed by Guido van Rossum with significant readability improvements in Python 3.0. Python's advantages include its readability and consistent syntax across libraries, its widespread popularity making resources plentiful, and the continuous innovation in data science tools. However, it does have some drawbacks like higher memory usage and slower computation speed for large datasets compared to other languages. Let's now explore some core Python concepts. Programs in Python are sequences of code that execute instructions one at a time. Variables act as storage for values. For example, you might assign a temperature prediction to a variable like predicted_temp equals 90. Expressions perform calculations, like determining the error between an actual and predicted temperature. The Python interpreter is essential as it translates Python code, which is human-readable, into machine language. Here's an example where we calculate and display an average temperature. Python functions are crucial for data science, providing predefined commands for computation. Functions take parameters, which are inputs like datasets or options, and arguments, which are the specific values you give to these parameters. The function then returns an output, which could be numerical values, tables, or visualizations. For instance, we can use the scatterplot function to visualize how car weight affects fuel efficiency, showing a relationship between weight and miles per gallon. Moving on to Jupyter Notebooks. This IDE is invaluable for data scientists. It integrates code writing, testing, and sharing in one document, supporting not only Python but other languages as well. Jupyter Notebooks combine code, output, and text, making it highly interactive. Here's a practical example of using Jupyter Notebooks to load a dataset and generate a visualization, specifically plotting car weight against fuel efficiency. Jupyter Notebooks are interactive, allowing real-time code modifications, and they can be saved, shared, or exported in various formats, making them excellent for educational and collaborative work. Wrapping up, Python's significance in data science can't be overstated. Thanks to its readability and community support, understanding basic programming elements like variables and expressions is foundational for data manipulation. Functions simplify complex data operations, and Jupyter Notebooks enhance the interactive aspect of data science. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.